In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count no of objects in AutoCAD. We're going to use a built-in tool called Quick Select to get an instant count of objects in your drawing, and then refine that count by a specific property, like color. This is perfect when you're working in a busy area of your model and need a fast, reliable total without manually clicking every single object. Start by typing QSelect into the command line and press Enter. The Quick Select window will open. Here, click the Select Objects icon, which lets you choose exactly where in your drawing you want AutoCAD to look. Now, drag a box around the area you want to count. Use a clear, simple selection that covers the region you're interested in. After you release the mouse, you'll see your selection highlighted. As soon as that selection is made, look down at the command line. AutoCAD immediately reports how many objects were selected. You'll see a message that includes the count, confirming how many items are inside that boundary. This is a quick way to tally everything in a region without applying any filters. What's even more powerful is that Quick Select can filter by properties, so you can count only the objects that match a specific criterion. For example, you might want to know how many objects are a certain color. Let's walk through a practical case. Counting how many blue circles there are in a jumble of circles. With the same Quick Select window, set the property field to color. Next, set the operator to equals. Then, choose blue as the value. This tells AutoCAD to include only the objects that are blue. In a drawing full of circles, this makes it effortless to isolate just the blue ones. If your drawing contains multiple object types and you only want circles, you can also limit the selection to circles in the same window. But in this example, the area contains circles only, so filtering by color is all we need. Click OK to apply the filter. AutoCAD instantly selects only the objects that match. And again, the command line will show the count. You'll see exactly how many blue circles were found inside that selection area. This filtered selection doesn't change the drawing. It simply highlights the items that meet your criteria and gives you an immediate, accurate tally. And that's all. Use QSelect to grab an area, read the count, and refine it by property, like color, to zero in on exactly what you need. It's fast, consistent, and a huge time saver.